Hi, we're in front of the Chamomile plan by D.R. Horton Homes. We're at our Montage subdivision in Mesa del Sol. This home is 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2,250 square feet. As you can see, you have this nice little courtyard area. Nice open kitchen, eat-in island. Our homes feature stainless steel Whirlpool appliance. Your kitchen is open to the living areas and dining area. There's a nice corner pantry. Plenty of room to go and stock up. You have a little patio right here. Nice and private. Half bath for your guests. Laundry room. That's the garage. And then you've got your primary bedroom right here. Nice and roomy. Double raised sink vanity in the ensuite bath. 5-foot walk-in shower, tile surround, glass enclosure. Separate commode. And look at this closet. Oh my gosh. It just goes on and on and on. We're gonna go ahead upstairs right now. Walk up to this amazing loft area. Very roomy. Plenty of room for a pool table or home theater area. Here's one of the guest bedrooms. Nice walk-in closet. Another bedroom right over here. Another walk-in closet. Guest bath. And another bedroom up front. It's going to be your larger bedroom of the 3 up. So if you'd like to know more about this house or any other home, please call me, John Olmsted, at 505-999-0930. That's John at 505-999-0930. Thanks, have a great day.